What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. How are y'all today? Listen, I was just enjoying me some coldest water because today's video is sponsored by the coldest water. Thank you so much, beautiful babes, for sticking and staying. Listen, yes, today's video is sponsored by the coldest water, and just, let's say, befitting for this particular moment, because today we're talking about anti-bloating. But we're talking about my favorite, my top, the best essential oils that you can use for bloating. But the one thing I do want you to remember is to make sure you're drinking plenty of water every single day. I am on my mission to losing some weight, and I lost a few pounds. I will be reporting real soon. However, part of that mission is to intake 64 ounces of water. I pour my water in my coldest water bottle. This is 64 ounces every single day, and have been drinking it, and I notice such a difference in the way things flow, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna go ahead and get to today's video, because I know if you clicked on this video, tummy is not where it needs to be. So we're gonna get right to it. And thanks again, Coldest Water, for sponsoring today's video. Let's get to talking about these great essential oils. Feeling bloated is never a pleasant feeling. For some of us, it can be easily averted by taking enzymes, probiotics, or simply by just avoiding the foods and allergens that cause bloating in the first place. For others, it's a bit more complicated. So I just wanted to share some of the best anti-bloat essential oils that I found to be quite helpful. The oils below have been the most helpful in my journey to preventing, controlling, and eliminating bloating. Most of these can be applied topically on the stomach and abdomen. Just take 2 to 3 drops of the essential oil to a half teaspoon of a carrier oil. Or you can easily diffuse essential oils just using about 6 to 8 drops for about 20 to 30 minutes after your meals. Now, it is not advisable to actually take essential oils internally unless you have food grade essential oils. And even with that, use very small doses. So let's start off with the great essential oils. I will start off here with peppermint. Peppermint essential oil is perfect for cooling and stimulating the digestive system when things feel stuck, you have heartburn, or your stomach just needs a little soothing. Just apply a few drops mixed with the carrier oil using the measurements I gave you earlier. Just apply it to the stomach. This will help ease cramping and relieve gas. The next oil is cardamom essential oil. It is a delicious smelling oil that is warming, invigorating, and energizing in nature, and has an affinity for digestive support. Use it mixed with the carrier oil and apply it over the abdomen to relieve gas, bloating, nausea, and cramping. Next, chamomile essential oil. It has some amazing carminative, which is anti-gas, and analgesic, which is pain relieving, qualities that make it a well-rounded companion for digestive distress. Applying it mixed in a carrier oil will help ease digestive cramping, alleviate gas and bloating, and invigorate sluggish digestion. And then we have Fennel essential oil. Fennel essential oil has a sweet licorice scent and strong carminative properties, making it a wonderful, I said wonderful, oil for gas and bloating. If you have no other oil, get your hands on some Fennel essential oil to soothe stomach ache, vomiting, gas, bloating, cramping, diarrhea, and indigestion. Apply it to the abdomen and the bottoms of the feet, diluted in a carrier oil. Next, we have ginger essential oil, a spicy, energizing essential oil with warming and antispasmodic qualities that soothe the intestinal lining. If you are experiencing indigestion because things are moving too slowly through the digestive system, this oil will help stimulate elimination. It is also a good oil for gas and bloating due to its carminative effects. You can use ginger essential oil by mixing 1 to 2 drops in half of a teaspoon of carrier oil and rub it over the abdomen. And these are my best, top favorite anti-bloat essential oils and how you can use them. Essential oils have gained major popularity in the last several years, and I just want to share these oils with you to help prevent any discomforts you may be having when it comes to battling that awful bloating feeling. Thanks so much for checking out this video. And there you go, beautiful babes. Those are my top favorite oils for anti-bloating, along with drinking plenty of water. Treat your body right. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. So glad you came to hang out with me.
Before I end this video, I wanted to share a quick DIY anti-bloat essential oil belly blend that's been a game changer for me. Here's what you'll need. 2 drops peppermint essential oil, 2 drops Fennel essential oil, 2 drops ginger essential oil, 2 drops cardamom essential oil, 1 tablespoon, 15 ml of your favorite carrier oil like fractionated coconut, sweet almond, or jojoba directions. Combine all the oils in a 1-oz glass roller bottle or small jar. Shake or stir well to mix. Apply it directly to your abdomen in a gentle clockwise motion. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Use it after meals or anytime you're feeling bloated. And here's a little bonus tip. Rub any leftover oil on the bottoms of your feet for added digestive support.
Listen, if you want to hang out with me, if you want to be part of the giveaways that's coming up, make sure you drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell. Don't keep me a secret. Share me with your world, and we'll be on our way to having a whole lot of fun. Absolutely. Hey, I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.